The end of the weekend. The start of a new week. Morning. Time to get up. On a train in Japan, a girl and boy sleep. In Italy, a mother wants to sleep, but she can't. In America, a girl has her breakfast at school. In Turkey, a man walks to his office. In China, old people do exercise in the park. In Vietnam, women sell flowers. In Argentina, a man starts work. This is Maiko. She's 10. She gets up at 6 in the morning. She lives far from her school. It takes 50 minutes. In Japan, children usually go to school on their own. This is Federica and her son, Paolo. Paolo is her first child. He often wakes up at 5. This is Nicole. She has milk and cereal for breakfast. She lives in Boston. Some schools give all students a free breakfast. In America, 13 million children don't have breakfast. This is Serhat. He starts work at 7:30. He normally walks there. He has an important job in a bank. This is Yang. He's 73. He goes to the park every morning. He does exercise. He sometimes does Tai Chi. He meets his friends. Lady May lives in Hanoi. She sells flowers in the street. She has 200 flowers on her bike or more. This is Diego. He starts work at 8. He gets $490 a month. The building is a new block of flats in Buenos Aires.